Good day, everyone. This is Sir Reb, and welcome back to my online classroom. For this video, we will discuss imaging and design for the online environment, Part 1. This is one of the contents of the applied subject Empowerment Technologies taught in senior high school. But before that, we will first have a pretest. All you have to do is to choose the letter of your best answer. Please comment down your answers and expect for a reply to validate your answers. You may tap the pause button if you need more time. Okay, let's start. Number 1. This is achieved when all parts of a composition appear to have equal weight and is stable. A. Contrast. B. Balance. C. Unity. D. Focal point. Number 2. It is obtained by repeating colors and shapes in all parts of a design. A. Repetition. B. Balance. C. Unity. D. Focal point. Number 3. It creates the center of interest in a design. A. Repetition. B. Balance. C. Unity. D. Emphasis. Number 4. It is when lines, colors, or shapes are repeated over and over in a planned way. A. Repetition. B. Balance. C. Unity. D. Emphasis. Number 5. It is when it catches the viewer's attention. Usually, the artist will make one area stand out by contrasting it with other areas. The area could be different in size, color, texture, shape, and many more. A. Repetition. B. Balance. C. Unity. D. Emphasis. Again, do not forget to comment down your answers. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, Sir Reb Online Classroom, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be more updated with my recent videos. After going through this video, you are expected to: Number 1. Define computer graphics and layout. Number 2. Identify the basic principles of graphics and layout. And number 3. Understand several file formats used on the web. Now, what is computer graphics and layout? Computer graphics are visual representations of data made on a computer and is displayed on a computer screen or monitor. They can be a single image or series of images called video. They can be anything on computers such as photographs, drawings, or movies that does not involve sound. Layout, on the other hand, is the arrangement of graphic elements on a page. An effective graphics and layout contribute to the efficiency of a website. Hence, you must begin learning the basic principles of graphics and layout before creating your own graphic design, which you can integrate on the online environment. The principles of graphics and layout are as follows: balance, movement, unity, repetition, proximity, contrast, and emphasis. Balance. It describes the placement of elements of equal weight on the page. The 3 types of balance are symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Movement. It describes the flow of elements on the page. Visual elements guide the viewer's eyes around the page. Unity. It describes the sense of oneness of the elements that creates balance and harmony. Repetition. It describes the consistent and balanced repetition of a design or element. Proximity. It describes the organization and relationship of the elements included in the design. Contrast. It is the combination of the opposing characteristics of an element like color, size, thickness, and among others. It allows emphasis on key elements. Emphasis. It describes an area in the design that catches viewers' attention. The area may appear different in size, color, texture, or shape. Since the introduction of graphics on the web, file format also became an important aspect in the design stage. The most common file formats are JPEG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, and PNG. JPEG, or the Joint Photographic Experts Group. It is the most popular image format used on the web. JPEG are very loosey files where much of the information about the image is lost from original state to keep the image file size small. JPEG files are used mostly by photographers, artists, graphic designers, medical imaging specialists, art historians, and other groups because image quality and color fidelity is important in the field. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. It is limited to the 8-bit palette with only 256 colors. GIF is best used for diagrams, cartoons, and logos which use few colors and is the chosen format for animation effects. BMP, short for bitmap. It is an image file format that can be used to create and store computer graphics. When viewed at 100%, each dot corresponds to an individual pixel on a display. In a standard bitmap image, each dot can be assigned a different color. Together, these dots can be used to represent any type of rectangular picture. TIFF, or Tagged Image File Format. It is considered as a highly quality image format where all color and data information are stored. However, it produces a very large file size and take huge disk consumption. PNG, or Portable Network Graphic. This file format is best with line art, text, and logo. It is capable to display transparencies. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be more updated with my recent videos. This time, we will evaluate your learning about our discussion by answering these post-tests. All you have to do is to write true if the statement is correct and false if otherwise. Please comment down your answers and expect for a reply to validate your answers. You may tap the pause button if you need more time. Okay, let's start. Number 1. For image composition to be effective, it must have its elements in equal weight across the frame. Number 2. You can use any color combination when composing your design. Number 3. JPEG is considered to produce a high-quality image and does not remove any information from the image. Number 4. It is best to use GIF format for cartoonish images. Number 5. Asymmetrical is a type of visual balance in which two sides of a composition are different yet balanced. Number 6. GIF is best to use when working with full-color photographic images. Number 7. If you want to insert animation effects on your presentation, you will look for a PNG format of an image. Number 8. Balance is to even distribution. Emphasis is to attracting. Number 9. Symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial are types of contrast. Number 10. The term emphasis may be used for an area that has contrasting sizes, shapes, colors, or other distinctive features to catch the viewer's attention. Thank you for participating. Please don't forget to comment down your answers. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be more updated with my recent videos. Again, this is Sir Reb, and see you soon here in my online classroom. Happy learning!